This is how we do it. Oh, yeah, it's that time again. It's Friday, yeah. Let's make some trades. Here in the farm fields of Valpo, it's 11:24 on a Friday. A Friday. It's June 2nd, 20 and the 23. Kid 3, Bart the 2nd. He'll be home probably like in an hour, hour and a half. Can't wait to see him. I already know. I've already made the prediction. As soon as he walks in the door, gives us a hug or two, the first words out of his mouth will be, let's take the GT out, because he probably hasn't driven in a week, being on a lake house slash boat. What is it called? A boathouse? His buddy's parents have a lake house, but they also have this big houseboat. That's the word, big old houseboat that the boys stay on. There's some cliffs that they jump off of. This is at Dale Hollow Lake in Tennessee. So he'll be back today. Can't wait to see him. But I know he's going to want to take that GT out, that 1991 Mustang GT, as soon as he gets home. But in the meantime, let's make some trades. Let's check on some trades. Got some rolling to do. We rolling with Bank of America. Think it's in the money. We don't want to lose them. Let's check the 2850 calls. Currently, Bank of America at 2880. We have 13 contracts on the board. Let's roll it out a week and see what kind of action Jackson we can get. Can we get a couple dollar bills at the 2850? I'm still good there. I think the market will lose some air again next week. So if I can put over $300 in my pocket for just rolling this, then why would I not? Let's see what we have to do to get it done. Is it 24 cents? Can we get 25? Can I get an amen? Let's see if that thing will fill. We'll leave it on the board for a momento. I remember one time me and Lady Tanzalot were in Mexico and we were getting ready to have a couples massage, and we entered into the spa and they walked us back, and the lady's like, motions for us to sit down on these very cozy Shea lounges, give us some cucumber water. And she said, I'll be back in a little minute. And her and I laughed. And of course, we still say that today. Little minute. That was very nice. CVS, we're rooting this thing on, trying to just push that thing up over $70. It's currently trading at $69.64, the $70 strike on the puts. We've been rolling and rolling and rolling that thing, collecting dollar bills. We should just go ahead and roll it now, but I'm going to give it just, I don't know, maybe another hour or so, see what happens there. If it expires above $70 and that contract just goes worthless, as they say, I'll be fine with that as well. The Gilead, though, we need to roll that. It's at $77. It is up over 1% today, but still nowhere near our $79 strike. So let's see what kind of action we can get rolling these 5 contracts out a week. At the 70 and the 9, 79 still looking for $90. Probably be a little lower than that. Oh boy, look at that. It's 0 to 37. That's the bid and ask on this thing. Can I get anything? Can I get 18? 18 cents? 17? 17 cents, $85 credit to roll it. Let's see if we can do that. Put that on the board. And we got 1, 3, 4, 5. We got them all filled. So there's that trade off the books until next week. And the JNJs, I wanted to close those. Johnson & Johnson was over 156 last I checked. 156.40. So it'd be about $3 per. We have 3 contracts, so it'd be about $9 to close this, and then we'll get this one off the books, and I'll run the numbers in a separate spreadsheet and show you how we did on this particular. It started with training wheels and it moved its way on up into a put contract, 5 of them. Is it 5 or 3? I think it's 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah, that's 3. See? Okay, so that was $9. So we'll run all the numbers because the last roll was 267. So I think we ended up doing pretty good on that trade overall. So we're out on that. Released $46,500 in collateral. That's always good to know. And I know we have some trouble brewing. Yep, we got trouble brewing on this SPY. We're currently taking gas. It's a 426/428 call credit spread, and SPY is currently trading at 427.48. So I won't give that a great deal more time before I pull it off the board and take some gas on it, because our total loss could be $1,000 from now. $1,000 minus what we got when we traded it. But I'll be keeping a close eye on that, because right now, at any moment, I think SPY is going to turn and go a little red, since it's had a nice little run up over the last 15, 20 minutes. And then our LUV calls, let's see what it's at. LUV Southwest Airlines trading at 30.39, currently up 4.38% today. So that's very nice. So let's go ahead and roll that now. Love-a-dove and the rub-a-dub in the hot tub hasn't been performing well. It's difficult to make any moves with them on credit. So this is an opportunity to do so when it's only 20 cents away from the strike price, up a nice amount today, or 4% the share price. And then this particular strike is up over 250% today as far as its value. So let's see if we can put a couple bucks in our pocket on Southwest Airlines. Let's go straight to the 19 cents so we can get them filled as we speak. Let's roll that out another week. Put a little change in our pockets going jang-a-lang-a-lang. And the Suncor, that's going to be threatening our strike price of 29. Got 20 of those contracts. Yeah, it's actually at 29.02. So we can collect some serious dough, I would imagine, by rolling this position, because we've already locked in the dividends. So if we look at the dividend, that was today. We owned it today, all 2,000 shares, right? So it's going to be $780 we're going to get paid from this on the 26th. So we'll get the dividend, we'll get all the premiums, and then we'll get a little bit of share appreciation from where we bought them, which was what? 28 and change. 28.41 is our average cost, currently trading at 29.01. But I don't want to relinquish them right now, because I would, based on these numbers, it just being at 29.02, we're going to collect some serious dough for rolling these. So let's go down to that position. Here it is here. If we roll it a week, I bet we can collect, I don't know, over $800, I would imagine, based on what I know about this company and these shares. Let's see. We'll still go with the 29. $880. It'll probably be a little less than that. Let's see here. So I'd like to just get it in the books. $860. Let's see if that'll fill all 20 of those. Rolling that covered call. Might have to adjust that. Let's see. Leave it on the board for the moment. Una momento. For the tiny minute, we'll leave it on the board. Let's take a look at the big board on the watch list at Yahoo Finance. All right. Yeah. What is it? There we go. 29.02. Is it going to tick up another cent or two before our very eyes, or no? So it's still on the pending board. It timed out, as they say. Still on the pending board. I'd like to put that money in my pocket today, though, and not have that risk being called away. Not that I would imagine there'd be much of a risk at 29.02, but I want to get as much time captured in this roll as possible. So let's go here. There's our 29. So it must have dipped under 29. Yeah, it's at 28.99. So we're not going to collect as much on this go around. Can we get 41,820? We should be able to get $820. That's not a bad day's work. 820. There we go. All right, so we got that dough. That feels really good. It does. What else is left? We got some target calls to roll today, and I'm picturing like I'm going to try to get some dough at 138. I'd like to get them all to 138. But I need to eat. I think I'm going to eat. Got some broccoli steaming right now. Got some fresh basmati rice made. Some chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Mix all that together and just have the grandest of times. So thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. You know what to do. Subscribe, like, comment. Click the old notification bell. Share with a lovable friend, and I'll see you in the next video.